Hey everyone, it's Lissette here and welcome back to another video on my channel. So for this video, I kind of wanted to do a piggyback off of the last video. If you guys have not checked that video out, it was a nail haul. Just showing you guys what I received through Amazon and a couple of goodies, like a lot of stones that I was super excited about. So in that video, I did mention that I was expecting more rhinestones. So those did come. So I did want to show you that. But on top of that, I did get a couple more items, as well as some PR packages. So we are just going to dive right in. And yeah, but before I show you what I got, please make sure you are subscribed. If you're new here, welcome. And thank you so much for passing by my channel and showing me some love. Without further ado, let's just jump right in and get started. Okay, so starting off with this video, I did want to show you guys those crystals that I did mention in the other video that I was waiting for. So they did come right after I posted that video. They came. So yeah, so we are just going to open them up. If you want to see the other colors that I did get, go check that last video out because there is a lot of goodies in that video. Okay, so this is how they look. They do separate them by size. These are all of the sizes. They don't tell you what is the size range, but can you appreciate all of these little packs? Like, come on, so freaking cute. There is a total of 1,200 pieces. And just like I did the last video, I am just going to open this larger one and show you what these colors look like up close. So this first color is light blue. I have like so many different blue shades. I just love the fact that they're only $7.99 and you get a good amount. Like you don't, once again, I said it in the last video, you don't need to spend an arm and a leg to get some crystals, especially if you are a DIYer. Next color is rose pink. Oh wow, tell me that is not pretty. Look at that shine. This next one is light pink. These are so pretty. Oh my God, I'm like in love. Next is jonquil, which is a very pretty light yellow. Violet purple. And then the last color is black diamond. Oh my God, it is so pretty. So they look just like Swarovski crystals. I am not even joking. There be some on Amazon that be iffy, like, but these are legit. They're good. Okay, so these are all the colors that I was waiting for. So once again, go ahead, check on Amazon. $7.99. You can't really beat it. Honestly, I'm lying. I think this one was $9.99, but it's still a good price. Like, yeah, go get it. Okay, so with that, I did go ahead and get more of these containers. Let me just take one out so I can show you. Okay, so this is what the little containers look like. If I could focus, there you go. So I use these to store either my glitters or like a lot of like the glitters from Set's Nail Co. I put them in here, as well as my either Swarovski crystals or these type of crystals as well. So I do put them in. I just have my Swarovski crystals separate so I know which one is which. But I like to fill them in these 10 gram containers. What I like about this is the bottom part is acrylic where the top is a little more plastic. So it has a tighter hold. I had ones before that was both acrylic and they both twist, but it doesn't feel secure, especially when you're dealing with like glitter. But I ended up getting this. It was 100 pieces for $20, which is not bad. I am always trying to look for more of these for an affordable price. So far, this is the ones that I got. I will link this in the description. On top of this, it did come with these little stickers that you could just place on top of your container, which is convenient. I just like to use my Peep Touch and just label them like that. When it comes to the crystals, I'll either label the bottom of what they're called. So if I know, if I'm running out, I can easily go to, Amazon and just purchase more. But yeah, so these are the containers that I use. I am going to do a separate video, just like me organizing everything. But I just thought I'd show you, what I got and what I use them for. Okay, so the next thing that I got from Amazon are these containers, which is different. If I'm not mistaken, these are 7-gram containers, and they look like this. And for these, what I like to use for are my other types of glitters. Like this is one filled with glitter. I like to keep all of my glitters in the same style of container, depending on, you know, where I get them from. So like all of my Michaels, my Shein glitters will go in these types of containers, versus if I have a collection or a small business brand company where I'm able to label the actual container itself with their logo, I will go ahead and use these. So this is the second type of container that I will use my glitters for. And this, it holds, it was 30, what was it? Yeah, so it's 30 little containers, comes in this little case, and it was only $7.99. And I did end up going ahead and picking up 2 of these. The next thing that I got from Amazon, oh my God, and this is so funny because I was not expecting this to be this large. Let me just show you what they are. Oh my God, they're huge. And I'm kind of afraid to take them out because it's like, so this is foil flakes, and look at how big are these containers. So I thought they were gonna be this size. I thought they were gonna be this little, but it's clearly massive compared to it. There's so much in it. I don't even know if I should. Ooh. Oh my God, I already see it flying. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's not full, it just looks full because everything is like coated to the sides. Oh, so I ended up getting 12 of these for $16.99. So this is all of the colors. I mainly got it because of the black and the red. I really wanted black and red foil. But like I said, I did not know it was this big. But you can't beat it for 16 bucks, right? So these are the 12 colors, and I'm so excited to use them because there's like so many different options and designs that you can, especially even like this design. You know how many different like kind of colors I could have used just for like a simple design like this with like the different kinds of flowers. So loving the fact that it comes just like this in the containers itself, because as you can see, they're getting everywhere. But once I clean it off, I'll be able to store it better. Look at that. Oh, that is nice. That'll be a nice little nail design right there. But once again, 12 colors for 16 bucks. Not a bad buy, especially with the amount that you get. Okay, so that was the last thing that I physically purchased. Onto the PR packages. This PR package is by Modelones. First of all, how cute is this little bag? Cute. I would totally use this bag for my makeup. Okay, so I guess I gotta cut it. Okay, so first thing I'm pulling out, it says Cuticle Revitalizer Oil. Okay. Modelones. These look just like the Macart ones. So funny. Yep. Okay, so it's just regular oil, no smell. So if you are someone who doesn't like the scented stuff, this is great for you. So there's that. It comes with a mini UV LED nail lamp. Let's see what color I got. I got the pink. There's like random colors that they be sending you. So this one is the pink one. Super cute, right? There is a cute travel size as well. And then you have your USB and you're good to go. Also, it comes with a little mini, what is this, buffer. What is this? Oh, I hate these. Oh, excuse me. I don't want to say I hate, but I am scared of using these little things. Can you see it? There you go. Ooh, that looks scary. I don't like these things. I used to always cut myself when I used to try to cut my cuticles with these. And a little pusher. I'll use this side, not that side. A little mini nail file. Super cute. Let's open some stickers. How pretty. So we have little butterflies. These are little hearts. cute. And then you guys know I love some golds. So this is just great. I love me some gold stickers. And the crazy thing is I did just see a review from Natalie Get Nailed 32. She did a set. I think she's like a burgundy with a whole bunch of these things. I want to do something completely different. So if you guys have any ideas, just leave a comment. But yeah. So leave a comment on what kind of design you would like to see with these, and I will be sure to do it, whether it's encapsulating them or whatever the case may be. All right, so I love how the packaging looks. Really cute. They definitely look like lipstick. They look like lip creams. That's what they look like. Okay, so I'm gravitating towards this one. Let's do this one first. This color is called, wait, are there? Okay, so there's no names, there's just numbers. So I guess we'll go 1 through whatever number it is. Okay, so this is colors number 7 through 12. So there has to be another set with 1 through 6 in it. Wonder what colors those are. Anyway, so first off, this one is your base coat. I'm sorry, I have like so much glitter and stuff on me. And it does have a silver top. And then the top coat has a gold top. That's the top coat. These are 10 mLs and they are UV LED gel polishes. I think I'm gonna really like this one. This one is number 7. Ooh. It's like a dark purple, so pretty. So the color definitely matches the bottle, which I absolutely appreciate. This one is number 8. This is nice too. Number 9. Number 10. Number 11. Last color, number 12. So yeah, let me know what kind of design you want to see me try with these. So like I said, I am going to do a separate video. I don't know necessarily if these kind of stickers will go with the design. I mean, I could definitely try, but like I said, I'm loving the golds. The gold's little stickers. I think that is so cute. I kind of have an idea, but I would love to hear your opinion as well. So yeah, this one is from Modelones. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. Okay, so as far as the price, it is $36.99. Okay, so the last thing I received is from MelodySusie. So they did ask me which box I wanted, and if I'm not mistaken, this is, yeah, so this one is called Twilight Forest MelodySusie Gel Nail Polish set. Okay, so this is your regular manual. I feel like everybody knows how to apply gel polish. I'm just like the only one that really doesn't know how to apply gel polish. So let's dive into the colors, and I love this color scheme. So I guess we're going into summer, but it's like I just love fall colors. I can't help it. I love like the burgundies and like the greens, and yeah, I'm excited about this color. So we're gonna go one by one. Is it in order? I hope it's in order. So this is 136, and this is what the bottle looks like. I don't know if I showed you last time what the actual bottle looks like, but these are 5 mLs. Such a cute little tiny bottle. I love that. So this is 136, 138, 155, 217. Oh, this one's pretty. 225, 257, 283, 500, 890, 893, 1044, 1203, 1233, 1234, 1310, 1311. 1381. Ooh, this one almost looks like my nail color. 1410. 1420. Ooh, this one's pretty. It's like a dark brownish red color. This one is nice. And then onto the glitters. This one is G100. G144. This one has like a lot of larger chunks of glitter in it. This one is pretty. G313. Wow. You guys, look at that. This is nice. G324. Ooh, another one with sparkles. A brown with sparkles. It has like it's like rose gold, almost like an orangey. It has to be like a rose gold sparkle inside. I'm sorry, I don't know if you guys could see that. How pretty is that? And then last color is G671. Okay, so as for the last four, so we have 2 base coats. And then there's a top coat and then a matte top coat. But yeah, so for this, MelodySusie is selling this one for... Okay, so on the actual MelodySusie website, they are selling this for $34.99. So they do have 6 different kinds. So they have like Pandora's Box, Masquerade, Frozen, Macaroon, Say Cheers. So each one is a different color kit. 6 different kits. Each one is $34.99. I will leave that in the description. If I'm not mistaken, they do sell on Amazon as well. So I'm going to link both for you guys. But this was the last thing that I received. Oh, and thank you once again, MelodySusie, for sending this to me. I am going to be doing a separate video for you guys in the next coming up days. If you guys have any ideas on what kind of design to do for this one as well, let me know. Like, even if you have something on Instagram that you want to send to me. But yeah, so that is it for this video. As always, thank you everyone for taking time out to watch this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure you guys are following me on all of my social media accounts. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one.